Hey everyone, I got a special treat for you today. I am reviewing a brand new video editing software and recording software for your computer. So stay tuned. We'll show you some good stuff. Hey everybody, Nate Valline here with natevalline.com. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to review a brand new video editing and video recording software that is just hitting the market this week. This new software, it is called Create by Vidello. And if you're in the market for a good video editing software with something that's not going to break the bank, then this could be a great option for you. So we'll just get right into it, and I'll start sharing my computer screen, and so I can show you this program. I just happened to get a copy myself. I'm pretty excited about it and thought I'd share it. So hold on one second. Okay, so we're in my computer screen, or my computer now, and you can see it's called Create by Vidello. It's a very simple to use system. It is very user friendly. It's not overwhelming by any means. To give you a little preface, I don't consider myself as a very strong video editor in any way of shape or form. Intermediate at best. And so a little background is I have been using a program called Shotcut. Shotcut is an open source program, which has been very good. Not a lot of complaints with Shotcut, but like most open source programs, they're designed mostly by engineers, and not to like get down on engineers or anything, but a lot of times they don't have the most user-friendly interfaces. Everything makes sense in their minds, but for the general person, it can get a little confusing at times. And so, Shotcut, that's kind of what I found with that program. But Create here, this is definitely a program that anybody can jump in and use. It has a very modern feel to it. As you'll see, it's very easy to use, a lot of drag and drop features, and it's just very intuitive. It's not overwhelming. It will allow you to create your video content simply and quickly and produce something that's going to be of a high quality. So let's get into it. I'll just start with this is the opening window menu. You can create a new video. You can import files to start. You can, if you get the Pro version, you can get a GIF creator feature to it. You can check for updates and support, obviously, there. And as you build out your files, create your files, those will just be named here on the side. So I'm just going to go ahead and create new. And what it will do is pop open the window, and it has a very familiar feel with the layout to other video editing softwares out there. You'll have your preview screen here where you can play back the video. You have your project settings to the right. This is where you can get your playlists. You can, it has pre-built text in there. And with the text, it comes with hundreds of fonts that you can customize the text overlays that you want. It comes with background images. It comes with emojis, both animated and static. So you can add those to your videos. Very fun, very modern, like I said, something that you can use to connect with your younger audience. Going back through here, you can, if you just click on that same button, it'll hide this window. Audio, this is, I think, a great feature. It comes with preloaded audio tracks that you can use in your videos. They've all been custom made for this program. They're all very great, good quality. And again, if you upgrade to the Pro version, you get additional audio tracks that you can use, but you can see all the different genres there are. You can publish the video. You can upload them to YouTube. I believe they're going to be adding Vimeo, as well as Vidello. And then that's your import button, sorry. Coming back to this folder icon, you can come over here and hit the cloud. This program comes with stock footage and stock images that you can use in your videos as well. So you can see these are some of the stock footage clips. They're all animated. You know, we can preview on here. You can see this is something you can import into your program, add to your video. You can create promotional videos with these. You can add a little something special, stuff like that. And again, it comes with hundreds of stock images that you can use. So very great. You got your tracks nice and easily laid out here. You can record your screen with this. You can record your screen. You can use the webcams, microphones, everything like that. And so it's very easy to use, and I'll just show you quickly how simple this is to put some video clips together. So let's just start. Let's we'll import. Let's see. Let's kind of like what's interesting. What could be interesting? Oh, we're on images. Sorry. We'll go back to footage here, and we will go with these clouds. We'll just click to import. You can see it imports pretty quickly. So now when we go back to editor, now it's here in our track or our playlist. We can just bring it down to the track. We can preview it, and you can see it playing there. We'll just pause that. You can cut these nice and easy just by clicking that, and you can split these in half or wherever you want. It has a great snap feature. Sorry, my mouse is not cooperating. So you know that you can snap it to the point that you want. So you know you have a seamless transition. So we have that little video clip there. Let's see, let's add some audio. Let's go to some staff pics. Curious kids, why not? So you can scroll to the end. We'll just shorten this up. Oops, this is your zoom. Let's scroll. Sorry, like I said, my mouse is not cooperating. So you can just bring this back. And just to give you a heads up, I'm shooting this on and using this on a Surface Pro 4, so you can see it does work pretty well. This is an older computer, not a huge graphic heavy computer by any means, and it's running this program very well, much better than Shotcut. I could run Shotcut, but I found that my Surface Pro did struggle at times. So with this track, now I've got volume. Bring that back. So nice sound here. We can lower the volume on the track to create background music if you want. So very nice. Okay, so we got that. So now let's add an image in here. We'll just go with we'll add this guy. Yeah, a little self-promotion here. Look how easy this is to resize what you want. We'll just drag this back. We can align it, preset align, so left, center, right, top, middle, bottom, wherever you want, or you can just drag and place it. You can change the opacity on it, and you can also do a fade in with it and a fade out. So, we can come back. Now let's play this again. So you can see it there. It's pretty nice. So it's all very easy to do. I mean, you can add tracks very easily and add some, add more in here. Let's add this back up here and have it start over. You can play around with it however you want. So it's easy to delete. You can delete there. You can delete tracks. You can make tracks visible or not. You can lock them. You can change your background color. Say you want to shrink all this. Now you can change your background color to whatever you want. Super easy. And again, so you can really customize your video content however you want. You can change the scale here as well, just with these drop downs, or if you have a scrolling mouse, you can do that as well. And so it is quite easy to create the video content that you want. Play around. Oh, I was going to show you that you can put in a animated emoji. Let's do this one because this is pretty silly. So that's in there. We can, it's going to do a little text. So you can say, Merry Christmas. Just drag that in. We can move this around. We can change this to maybe Happy Christmas. We can come over here to the font, change the font to whatever you want. The size, type, bold, maybe we'll bold it, bold italic, change the color of the font, boom. So we're kind of getting some stuff laid out here, right? Happy Christmas, and we'll just see what we got here. Like I said, I'm just kind of playing around, and you can see how easy it is to just create a video. You can do something as easy as a promotional video. You can do a montage. You can do a training video. You can do a review video, however you want it, and you just put it together. It's drag and drop for the most part. Couldn't be any easier. And so, this is kind of a rambling review, I would have to say, but I hope you're getting an idea on how great the software is. When I first saw this, it was a no-brainer for me compared to Shotcut, which I'm used to using. Shotcut was a free program, obviously, so that was nice. The price point on this, very affordable for what you get. I think it has a ton of features. They're going to be adding more features as well with the official launch. Like I said, this is more of a pre-launch right now. But then, even in comparison to some of the other programs out there, you have programs like Camtasia, iMovie, which obviously are great programs, but they also come with a hefty price tag. I've been looking at Camtasia here and there, and for $150 or whatever it is, that's a pretty steep price tag for someone that's just getting started, maybe doesn't have any income coming in. If you're going to be doing video for a business, if you're just looking as a hobby, this is a great, very affordable program for that. You're not outlaying hundreds of dollars to just feed your hobby. Sometimes most people, hobbyists, do find that price isn't too big of an issue, but I know that's how I am with my hobbies. But what I'm saying is, for the price you pay and what you get out of this, it is a program that is well worth it. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this. You kind of got a feel for it. Hopefully it's something that you can find useful with your business or your life. And if you do, make sure you click that first link in my description. That'll take you to the offer so that you can get your own copy. If you do click my link, there are some bonuses included that you'll see on the following screen. But with that, I'm going to wrap this up. I've been rambling long enough, but I thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. That way you won't miss out on any of my other videos. I do a lot of videos on how to make money online, how to get your side hustle on, how to improve your marketing skills, and do review videos like this time to time on marketing tools that I deem very valuable and helpful to your practice. So with that, again, thank you. My name is Nate Valline with natevalline.com, and have a great day. Appreciate you for watching.